Japan, the home of crazy tech, unbeatable bullet trains, buildings packed with arcade games, and some mind-blowing architecture. We flew to Tokyo for the motor show, and it did not disappoint. But we couldn't be in Tokyo without checking out some of the craziest places to visit here. First off, we're visiting the world's only flight simulator hotel room. That's right. At the Capsule Hotel in Tokyo, you can try a real flight simulator used for training pilots in your hotel room.
I was not expecting. Oh, wow. I'm so gonna crash this.
This flight simulator is an exact replica of a Boeing 737-800 cockpit.
This is crazy. They're gonna trust me with a simulator?
There's like a million buttons and levers here, so it's a good thing that Gabby has a co-pilot. Locked in.
Right pedal push, right pedal push, push.
This hotel room was built to attract aviation enthusiasts, pilots, and transit travelers. And it costs $92,000 to kit out.
To my right, we have our thrusters. To the right of that, you'll see this, which is our landing gear for when it's time to land the plane. This is the horizon. And if you're ever wondering where that pesky seatbelt button is, it's right here. Everybody buckle up. All right, you can see there ahead, that is the runway that we are going on, and I'm landing this plane. So everybody hold on to your seatbelts.
You can book this room for $230 and even get a lesson with a flight instructor for an extra $200. Oh my God.
My palms are so sweaty.
Oh man, that plane is sideways. Very good job.
Is everybody well okay?
Japan is known for its infamous micro apartments, so we knew we had to visit one of the most unusual ones here. This is the thinnest apartment in all of Tokyo. Measuring roughly half a meter from the outside, it's barely the width of one person. That's half of a Shaquille O'Neal. And if you think that's crazy,
The stairs are so tiny.
wait till you see the inside.
Woo! And there are a total of 4 apartments here.
Yeah. And it has a guardrail, which is nice because without it, you'd lose your balance and maybe die.
You can barely open the door. Wow. Okay. We just go straight in here. This is the living space. There's not a lot of room for activities. It's a total of 119 square feet in here. Surprisingly, there is a decent amount of storage in here, whether it's clothes, items, or even big enough for somebody to sleep. But this is the top floor of this apartment building. The view is kind of nice. I can see that. So right here you have your fridge.
Bam!
And then right next to it you have the world's tiniest sink.
You get like one stove.
Here, I don't know if you saw this yellow room. This is actually the shower. I'm literally a giant inside of here. I think this side of it is supposed to be the tub. And I don't fit in most tubs. And I don't really fit in here either. And this is just the shower. Take note that there's no sink, there's no toilet. You may be wondering, where do you do the business? So we have to go outside of the apartment. And remember, this side of the wall was where we were standing when we started. It was very, very thin, but this is the actual bathroom. You see back here, they've really utilized every space that they could. Oh, and then this is the
there you go.
light.
That's like a sideways sink. The tiny bathroom and tiny sink comes with a tiny price tag. To rent this place out, it would cost $266 a month. I don't know about you, but I'd live here with Shaq for that amount.
I think I'm starting to understand how people get claustrophobic.
Next is one of the world's most luxurious sleeper train experiences. It's known as 7 Stars Kyushu, and it showcases some of the best Japanese design and artistry. It actually cost the company over $28 million to build the 7 Stars train, and that's because every single inch is entirely custom made. With just 14 suites available in total, if you want to board this unique train, you better start planning early. Each traveler pays up to $5,500 for just a 3-day stay, and the waiting list can be over 6 months long. It's worth the wait if you ask me. Next on the list is a hotel that actually holds a Guinness World Record. This is the first ever fully robot-staffed hotel in the world. It's called Henna Hotel.
Look at this. That's a velociraptor.
And Henna translates to weird or unusual, and you're about to see why.
Please scan your passport page with your picture on the device.
Hotel owner Hiroa Sawada said his aim was to make the most efficient hotel in the world by reducing manpower and having 90% of staff be robotic. There's an incredible 20 Henna hotels around Japan and even one in New York. Most services here are provided by multilingual robots, including reception. Sounds pretty cost effective. What do you guys think? Would you check into a hotel run by robots? It's pretty weird. Okay, next up, if you're claustrophobic, look away. We're visiting one of Japan's classics, a capsule hotel where rooms look like hibernation pods from a spaceship.
Wow, okay. Wow, this is something that I've never seen before.
There are loads of capsule hotels all around Japan, but the 9 Hours Hotel is on a whole other level.
225. All right, right here. I guess I'll take off my shoes. All right. Okay. Wow. This is actually, oh, this is good.
The idea behind this trendy capsule hotel is that you get to sleep for 9 hours, and when it's time to sleep, you control the sleep ambient environment to help ease the claustrophobic sensation of being buried alive.
It's very futuristic, it's very cool. A light touch of being a little bit creepy, but I think it's fine once you get used to it.
One night here can cost as little as $26. Would you pay that for an alien pod experience? You probably know Japan is obsessed with robots. Well, this cafe is run by them. These are pepper robots, and they were created to interact with people.
Oh, he's looking at us. Every table gets a pepper, and we can play games, we can dance, we can talk. So robot rap, this should be interesting. I have no idea where this is gonna go. Oh my God. He's absolutely freaking out.
Pepper, no more.
Pepper, you're done. Pepper, you're done. Someone no.
These pepper robots are powered by the latest AI, and they're equipped with many sensors and devices, including true depth cameras in their mouths. What's cool is that their design also lets them get updated over time, so they'll be sticking around for a while. Not too sure about that rapping career though.
What is even happening?
If you're feeling lonely in Tokyo, you can find a different type of companionship here.
Now, what's inside is something that you're only gonna find in Japan, so let's go.
These are low-watt robots.
They all react.
These are state-of-the-art autonomous robots that can sense and respond to their surroundings.
So basically you can just hang out with these little robots, very cute, and they come to you. The cameras on their heads are actually 360-degree cameras, and when they see that you're looking at them, they actually look at you too, because they can sense faces. They can even remember faces. So if you're really nice to one of them, they'll actually start liking you back, and then they're gonna follow you more, be closer to you.
They have touch sensors all over their bodies, so they can recognize where they're being stimulated.
Oh, look, he's gone. He's out. And back with your friends. Little wheels will come out. Ready?
And through deep learning technology, they can decide on what actions to take.
He's out of there. That one is sleeping. He's recharging, literally.
After a long day of touring some of Tokyo's weird and wonderful places, what better way to end than with a coffee? But we didn't just have any coffee. Of course, it's a robot barista. This is the Soya robot, a ready-to-use, out-of-the-box robot, and it's intended for many practical uses such as assembly, metal processing, molding, packaging, loading and unloading, as well as tests and inspections. But in this cafe, it'll be making coffee for the foreseeable future.
Just for me. Cheers.
And those were some of the craziest places you can visit in Tokyo. Which one would be at the top of your list? Let us know, like the video, and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys next time.